Dive into Savage Sail's quick and easy method for creating a smooth, simulated left-to-right camera pan using CapCut, and yes, it's totally free. First, open CapCut and import your desired clip. Choose the video track, then navigate to the right side of the screen and select Basic. Now, adjust the scale to set the extent of your camera movement. The higher the scale, the more pronounced the movement. Next, go to Position and adjust the X and Y axis to frame your starting shot. This setup decides where your shot begins. For this tutorial, we're simulating a left-to-right pan. Therefore, position your subject at the far right of the frame for the start. The exciting part comes next. Add a keyframe to mark this beginning. Move to where you want this pan effect to end. Add another keyframe, and then adjust the X-axis to achieve the desired movement extent. And there you have it, your finished video with a smooth fake pan effect. Stay tuned for more tips.